मैम यहाँ, मैम यहाँ,
मैम सामने, मैम एकदम सामने डाउन।
मैम यहाँ सामने, मैम यहाँ, मैम वन मोर,
मैम सामने एक बार, मैम
मैम यहाँ,
मैम नाउ हियर।
राइट कम सर मैम, थैंक यू।
That Mahika is doing MCAN, and I think it's a wonderful initiative that she's doing. Today, the big C, as they say, is troublesome for many, and it's suddenly become so prevalent. There are a lot of people who, we know, people from our families, our friends, someone or the other has got this problem at their home, and it's a wonderful initiative that Mahika is doing, and especially for those underprivileged ones who do not have those funds to take care of this disease. So all the best, Mahika, and wish you lots and lots of luck. Thank you.
How does it feel to be part of such a good cause event? All the funds will go to the cancer patients. How does it feel?
I think this is a spectacular evening that Mahika has put forth to, and especially before Diwali, where there's this whole feeling of giving and sharing. The privileged few that are here will be able to help those who are not so fortunate. So I think Mahika has just got the right time where we can share, where we can give, and where we can help the people. So that's what MCAN is doing. So great work. I've just walked into, yes, there's a lot of lovely art that's here. So probably I'll have a look around. Thank you. Wish everyone there a very, very happy Diwali and a happy New Year. Thank you.
So the more fortunate should come up and donate and help these people who are struck by this terrible disease, which seems to be incurable, but there are ways to have a longer life and a better life through a lot of treatment.
Cancer is very expensive and it's a deadly disease. It's the most common disease today. We are very fortunate people that we come from luxurious backgrounds, but there are many not who need the money. And therefore today's evening, the purpose of today is for all of us to come together and make that difference and donate and help us raise funds. And thank you, Randeep, for giving us the honor and
it's my pleasure
help us
entirely.
spread this awareness.
My pleasure entirely.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
It's really not an idea. It's basically a purpose to raise money. So it's more like a movement because it's not about promoting art or my creations or about any effect. It's about raising the funds together and a person takes something home with them. So it's a nice way of saying thank you to them. And we raised huge amounts last year. So I'm hoping this year we can help the underprivileged and make that difference together.
I'm sure, there's such beautiful works of art.
Yes.
So you can own a great piece of art that you can adorn your houses and you know that you have contributed to a larger, greater, better cause.
Absolutely.
I'm not walking the ramp, am I? No, I'm not. I'm not walking the ramp.
Well, he's the guest of honor, so he will be coming and speaking few words on the ramp. So however you want to turn that.
Yeah. Dekhte hain. I would like to contribute best way I can, but since I do very few films, I'm not the best candidate for it. It's all going well. Thank you very much. Come.
So Nisca, firstly you're looking damn gorgeous, looking damn pretty in this outfit.
Thank you so much. Thank
What do
you.
you want to say about today's event, like MCAN?
I think charity is something which it's not charity if you don't need that thing. If you need it yourself and you still give it, that is true charity. And I think the idea of helping people and a hospital like Tata, which is doing so much good work for cancer patients, and I know certain people who have used the facilities at Tata, and they're absolutely incredible. So I'm absolutely delighted to be hosting the bidding for the auction, and I'm obviously very honored to be part of this event.
So what do you want to say about Mihika? Like she has organized such a great
I'm wearing her outfit. It's gorgeous, and I'm really delighted to be here to support Mihika and the Move for Cancer awareness. It is something that I believe in very deeply, and I think that whatever little we can do, we don't do a whole lot. We do a lot for ourselves. We hardly do anything for anybody else. But if we can do something for somebody else, these are very small opportunities to be able to do it, and I'm very happy.
So आप इतनी बड़ी एक्ट्रेस हैं, आप खुद एक एंटरप्रेन्योर है, तो कोई कभी आप भी ऐसा कुछ करेंगे, किसी कॉज को प्रमोट करेंगे और किसी कॉज के लिए ऐसा कुछ इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे?
कुछ है मेरे माइंड में, शायद 1-2 साल मैं अपनी कंपनी को भी सेटअप कर रही हूँ, मेरी प्रोडक्शन हाउस, उसके बाद मैं ज़रूर करना चाहूँगी 100%। I think more and more education, more and more understanding. I think cigarettes से ज़्यादा what is more important is कि खाने में जो pollution है, pesticides हैं और जो हम आजकल processed foods खा रहे हैं, जितना हम nature से अलग होते जा रहे हैं, तो हमारी bodies जो है इस ज़माने के लोगों की हर तीसरे person को cancer हो रहा है. So I think that's something which we should educate people about. I think फिर और महंगा हो जाएगा, लोग रुकने तो वाले नहीं हैं, जिसको स्मोक करना है या जिसको जो करना है वो तो करेगा. सो या
डर तो बैठा रहेगा, देखा जाए तो लोगों के दिमाग में कि अगर कुछ किया तो गवर्नमेंट के
लोग छुप छुप के करेंगे, वो जो लिकर और प्रोहिबिशन के साथ होता है. सो आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स द आंसर इज कि खुद को रियलाइज होना चाहिए. Yes, please come to Mami, all of you. And I have my short film coming up, which is called Churi, and After Chutney, which I don't know if you guys saw or not. You saw. And Churi is equally khatarnak. And then there is a film of mine at Mami called The Hungry. And after that, I'm writing a feature film with my co-writer called the Dilli Wale Bhatiyas. So
So please watch out for it. Yes, yes. Very, very happy Diwali to all the viewers. Be safe and have a great time. Enjoy with your family. Thank you.
Please, a little more support from all of you. We're a room full of people. We're a room full of fantastic people. And we have some incredible people coming up here. And all of us could do with a little bit of applause. Miracle. But it's people like you, each and every one present here in this room tonight. It is you who has made this miracle happen. Thank you so very much for year after year being the miracle in someone's life.
I think, first of all, I felt honored and privileged to be a part of such an occasion. And I think we cannot help everyone, but everyone can help someone. So I think all the people who have bid today and won the bid, congratulations to you all. And not only have you taken back home a great piece of art, but also contributed to a great cause. So I think it's killing two birds with one stone. I wanted a bid, but I kind of shied off. I'm sure a lot of people are in the same boat. You know, we didn't want to kind of go like that. But thank you everybody for coming, and it's a great cause. Cancer is something which has been plaguing our society, and it's on the increase. I think we should go for a better lifestyle, and McCann for all their work that they've done with Tata Memorial Trust Hospital and all that. I hope this event grows. I hope your cause grows, and I hope to see you all again next year. And thank God for the Parsis.
Right at the inception, obviously, we'd like to thank Tata Memorial Hospital. A special round of thanks to some people whose support goes a long way in making this evening a huge success. Dr. Anil de Cruz, who's been a pillar of strength for MCAN ever since its inception. Mr. Gul Kriplani for his selfless belief and support towards MCAN. Mr. Taljinder Singh, GM, the Taj Mahal Hotel, and his absolutely wonderful team.